Hello folks, today we're doing a commercial building inspection, and we're doing one on a big complex here that they just asked me to come out here, the bank did, to take a look at where we're at in the progress of this. But what I wanted to share with you, this is called a pop-up building. They come in concrete sections, slabs, and what happens is that we come out here and the crane's on the other side, but they pick these up and put them on a crane. But what I wanted to share with you is a few of the odds and ends here. Yeah, let's see if we can see that gap right. See right in between the two right here, these two buildings here, these two sections. You can see air gap right in between that, right in there. You see that? Well, the reason that they do that, let's follow it on down, is the reason that they do that is because you're going to get a lot of expansion and contraction between these two slabs, and this way it'll keep it from cracking. It's like an expansion joint. It is an expansion joint, but then they fill it full of caulking, but it's a sealant material, rubberized material, and so it picks up the contraction and expansion of the panels itself. But I wanted to share with you a couple other things here on this particular video. But you see here, let's see if we get up here a little bit out of the shade here, or in the shade. As you see here, I got this piece of wood right up in through here, and what they've done is what they've done when they put this poured this concrete slabs before they put them up, they put that inside of there so as that that'll make that little groove for them. It's really cool. We see this with stamped bricks, all kinds of different designs. That's how you get your designs in these kind of buildings. But anyway, that's what you're looking at here. And then we come down here, come down here, so it's a little bit, there we go, and you can see what we put as a little slurry concrete at the base of it, and this seals it at the bottom. Well, anyway, folks, I hope this has been helpful, and give us a call, Galloway Building Services. If you got a commercial building you're needing inspected, making sure it's being done right, give us a holler. We'd love to have an opportunity to come out there and take a look at it for you too. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.